Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Did I see your comments? You asked me. Have you seen my comments?
How are you, ma'am?
Alhamdulillah. How are you?
I am fine. What's going on in your life?
Not a whole bunch. I'm just talking to people. And what's going on with you?
I like your program.
Thank you so much. Can you?
Yes.
What?
Tell me.
Can you give your introduction?
Okay, my name is Rafiullah. I am from KPK, Pakistan.
MashaAllah.
Do you know Peshawar?
Yes.
And
my husband is from Swat.
I have done Bachelor of Arts from University of Malakand, and now I am a small businessman.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. So do you do art?
What?
Do you do art? You said that you did a bachelor's of art. Do you draw?
Yeah.
Paint?
Yeah, Bachelor of Art.
Do you have examples of your work? Can we see?
Sorry, ma'am?
You did a bachelor's of art.
Yes,
Is it like art history, or are you an artist?
Sorry, ma'am.
Are you an artist?
No, ma'am.
So, like art history?
Yeah.
Okay. And
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, let's... Huh?
What did you want to say?
I like your program very much. It is very good, not only for Pakistani peoples, but for all who never talk in English.
Yes, absolutely. And you're doing so good, mashallah, mashallah.
Thank you. Do you miss?
That's like for prayer cat.
Yes, it is very famous in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa.
I have one that's very famous. Let me show you mine. Mine's not that kind. Mine's a different kind. I'll show you. Hold on. This kind.
Do you know? It is pakol.
I knew there was a word. I asked someone the other day, and they're like, taught me. And I'm like, no, there's a special word for that.
It is very good, and mostly in cold and cold time and cold season. Mostly, I use this in cold seasons.
Well, here it's cold. I don't wear a pepper. Like I just put it on my wall. Like let's see if I can.
What, ma'am? When I'm
on my wall.
Mashallah. When you again come to Pakistan, I will give you from Chitral.
Mashallah. Yeah, our home is in Mingora. We have a house in Mingora.
Mingora.
Yeah. So
what?
Yes. So yeah.
Are you going to Kalam or Gilgit Baltistan?
One day, inshallah. Like we want to see everywhere in Pakistan. Well,
please come. We will wait you. We will wait you. Inshallah, come soon. Come soon to Pakistan.
I don't know if it'll be soon, but there for sure I will go to Pakistan again and again. You know, because my husband's from Pakistan.
Okay.